Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Sam. I just wanted to make a quick video showing you guys how to delete or deactivate Facebook. There are two different things, so let's go ahead and take a look at them. We're going to open up the Facebook app. We're going to tap on, this is a dummy account that I created just so that I can show you guys this. We're going to tap on this menu on the top right hand corner right here. We are going to go to settings and privacy. Then we'll go to settings, then personal and account information. Then we'll go to account ownership and control. Then we will go to deactivation and deletion. Now the deactivate account will basically remove your profile, but you can still use Messenger. With the delete account, it will completely delete everything, including your Messenger and everything else. So as you can see, Facebook doesn't really allow you to delete so easily. So, you know, Mr. Mark Zuckerberg has made it a tough process, obviously, because that's the way he makes his money. But let's go ahead and click on continue to deletion. And you just select a random issue where they're still gonna try to prevent, you know, like deter you from deleting your account. They're gonna try their best. So yeah, every time you click on something, there's always like, are you sure? Are you sure? Or you could do this, you could do that. And then you just keep on continuing to delete. And then permanently delete. Before you delete, you can download your information if you want to by tapping on download info. Again, you can deactivate account. Even on the last screen, it's asking you if you want to deactivate instead of deleting. So depending on what you want, you know, you can select it, but I'm just going to go ahead and hit delete account. We're going to enter our password and hit delete. Again, it's going to ask you, are you sure you want to delete it? Yes, delete account. And there you have it, guys. That is how you delete your Facebook account completely, instead of deactivating. But if you want to deactivate, that is an option too. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. Please go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And check out my other videos on my channel and on the screen. And stay tuned, stay safe, and stay blessed.